Hello guys. See you again on the UseMT channel. Today we discuss how to modify AI Morph unlock the Pro features. Unlock the feature to generate videos and photos without needing coins. Remove the watermark and get all the premium features for free. So in this video we will see the workflow step by step. Okay, just get started, watch the video, don't skip it, every step is important, okay? If you've just joined, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Okay guys. Now let's spend the 90 free coins first, so you don't misunderstand. Screen recorder is not allowed, original application.
subscribe.